Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Outlook and Hotmail guide, I'm going to walk you through how to restore deleted emails, even the ones you thought were gone for good. This is the full 2026 method, and we'll go step by step so you don't miss anything. So first, go ahead and sign into your Outlook or Hotmail account. Just use your email and your password like normal. If you're already logged in, yeah, perfect. You can skip ahead mentally. Once you're in, look on the left sidebar and open the deleted items folder. Outlook keeps deleted messages here for a limited time, usually about 30 days. So if the email isn't too old, you should see it right here. If you spot the email you want to bring back, just click on it and then hit the restore button at the top. Outlook will drop it right back into your inbox or whatever folder it originally came from. But if the email isn't in deleted items, don't panic yet. Outlook has another hidden recovery area. Scroll to the bottom of the deleted folder and you'll see an option called Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Go ahead and click that. It pulls up a list of emails that were hard deleted or removed from deleted items already. From here, just select the messages you want and choose Restore again. Outlook tries to recover whatever's still retrievable. Emails usually stay in this hidden area for another 14 days after the first deletion. So yeah, you've got a small window to bring them back. And hey, if the message still isn't showing up after restoring it, check folders like Spam and Archive. Sometimes Outlook rules automatically move emails without you realizing it. I mean, it happens more often than people think. You can also use the search bar at the top. Just type a word from the email, like the sender's name or a subject word. Outlook search is pretty strong, so it usually finds messages even if they're in a random folder. And if none of these steps bring your email back, there's a chance it's been permanently removed. Deleted items beyond the retention window can't be recovered, so acting quickly really matters. And that's it. That's how you restore deleted emails in Outlook or Hotmail. Pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy fix guides. Thanks for watching.